The year is 711 AD, a pivotal moment in history. The armies of Islam, driven by a vision of expansion and unity, sweep across the vast and arid landscapes of North Africa, their green banners emblazoned with the crescent moon, symbolizing their faith and determination. They cross the narrow strait into Spain, a daring and strategic move that leads to the conquest of the Visigothic kingdom. A new chapter in the history of the Iberian Peninsula begins. This marks the beginning of a golden age, a period of remarkable knowledge, tolerance, and innovation. This is Al-Andalus, a beacon of enlightenment in medieval Europe. Centuries later, in the southern region of Al-Andalus, two cities stand as enduring testaments to this glorious past: Cordoba and Granada, each with its own unique legacy. Cordoba, with its magnificent mezquita, a mosque cathedral of breathtaking scale and beauty, where the intricate arches and columns tell stories of a rich and diverse cultural heritage. And Granada, nestled at the foot of the majestic Sierra Nevada mountains, home to the Alhambra, a palace that seems to float between reality and dream, a masterpiece of Islamic art and architecture. The Alhambra is not just a palace, it is a symbol of the artistic and scientific achievements of the Nasrid dynasty. It is a marvel of engineering, a testament to the ingenuity and vision of the Nasrid dynasty, the last Muslim rulers of Spain, who transformed the palace into a paradise on earth. And at the heart of this ingenuity lies a secret weapon water. The Alhambra's sophisticated water systems, with their intricate channels and aqueducts, not only provided sustenance but also added to the aesthetic and spiritual experience of the palace. In the arid landscape of southern Spain, water is precious. It is life. The Nasrid rulers understood this well. They transformed the Alhambra into a paradise, an oasis of lush gardens, flowing fountains, and serene reflecting pools. All this in a region where rain is scarce. How did they do it? The answer lies in a sophisticated water management system. It is a system that harnesses the power of gravity and the ingenuity of human engineering. A system that, even today, continues to inspire awe and wonder. Imagine the sound of rushing water, not the roar of a raging torrent, but the gentle music of a mountain stream. This is the sound that greeted visitors to the Alhambra. It is the sound of the Darro River, diverted from its natural course by a marvel of medieval engineering, the Royal Canal. This canal, stretching for miles, carried water from the Sierra Nevada mountains down to the palace. It snaked its way through valleys and hills, its course carefully planned to maintain a steady flow. Gravity, the silent engine, propelled the water onward, towards its destiny. This was no small feat. The construction of the Royal Canal required immense skill and manpower. It involved digging through rock, building aqueducts to cross valleys, and creating a system of sluice gates to control the flow of water. Reservoirs of innovation. The Royal Canal was only the first step in a grand vision of water management. Once the water reached the Alhambra, it needed to be stored and distributed efficiently to meet the needs of the palace and its lush gardens. This is where the ingenuity of the Nasrid engineers truly shines. Their innovative approach to water management was ahead of its time. They built a series of reservoirs, each one a marvel of engineering and design. Each reservoir was carefully positioned to take advantage of the natural terrain, ensuring optimal water flow and storage. These reservoirs were not just simple holes in the ground, they were sophisticated structures, meticulously designed to maximize water storage and minimize evaporation. Some reservoirs were built underground, a strategic choice to keep the water cool and reduce water loss through evaporation. The cool underground environment helped in maintaining the water temperature, further reducing evaporation and preserving the precious resource. Others were open to the sky, designed to harness the benefits of sunlight. Sunlight allowed aquatic plants to thrive in these open-air reservoirs, which played a crucial role in purifying the water naturally. But the true stroke of genius lay in the way these reservoirs were interconnected. This interconnected system was a testament to the advanced engineering skills of the Nasrid dynasty. A complex network of channels and pipes carried water from one reservoir to another, creating a seamless flow of water throughout the palace grounds. This intricate system of channels and pipes also created a natural pressure system, allowing water to be distributed throughout the palace and gardens with remarkable efficiency. The Nasrid engineers' ability to harness natural forces and integrate them into their designs was truly remarkable. The result was a lush, green oasis in the heart of a dry, arid region. The gardens of the Alhambra flourished, a testament to the ingenuity and foresight of its creators. The Alhambra stands today not just as a historical monument, but as a symbol of human innovation and the timeless quest to harmonize with nature. Visitors from around the world come to marvel at this masterpiece of engineering and design, inspired by the ingenuity of the Nasrid engineers. As the sun sets and the palace is bathed in the soft glow of evening light, one can't help but reflect on the incredible achievements of those who built this magnificent structure. The water features, fountains, and reservoirs continue to tell the story of a time when innovation and nature worked hand in hand to create something truly extraordinary. The Lion Fountain, a symphony of time and water. The Alhambra Palace, a masterpiece of Moorish architecture, stands as a testament to the grandeur and sophistication of the Nasrid dynasty. Among its many wonders, the Lion Fountain in the Court of the Lions holds a special place both in terms of beauty and ingenuity. No visit to the Alhambra is complete without a stop at the Court of the Lions. This courtyard, with its intricate design and serene ambiance, captures the essence of Islamic art and architecture. The Court of the Lions is not just a visual delight but also a place where history and art converge. In the center of this courtyard, surrounded by slender marble columns, stands the iconic Lion Fountain. This fountain, with its 12 stone lions, is a symbol of strength and power. Each lion, meticulously carved, adds to the grandeur of the fountain, making it a focal point of the courtyard. Water flows from the mouths of 12 stone lions into a central basin, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of sound and motion. The gentle flow of water, combined with the intricate carvings of the lions, creates a harmonious blend of art and nature. This continuous flow of water symbolizes life and purity, a recurring theme in Islamic art. But this fountain is more than just a pretty sight. It is a marvel of engineering, a testament to the Nasrid's mastery of hydraulics. The design and functionality of the Lion Fountain showcase the advanced knowledge and skills of the engineers of that era. It is also a marvel of engineering, a testament to the Nasrid's mastery of hydraulics. The fountain's design is a perfect blend of art and science where aesthetics meet functionality. The Nasrids were not only great patrons of art but also pioneers in engineering and technology. The fountain is, in essence, a giant water clock. This ingenious design allowed the Nasrids to measure time with remarkable precision. The 12 lions represent the 12 hours of the day, and the flow of water from their mouths marked the passing of time. How did it work? The answer lies in the intricate hydraulic system hidden beneath the fountain. The 12 lions represent the 12 hours of the day, and the flow of water from their mouths marked the passing of time. How did it work? Each lion was connected to a separate reservoir, a feat of engineering that showcased the advanced understanding of hydraulics by the Nasrid engineers. Each lion was connected to a separate reservoir. These reservoirs were meticulously designed to ensure a steady flow of water, maintaining the fountain's functionality as a timekeeping device. The reservoirs were filled and emptied in a precise sequence, controlling the flow of water from each lion's mouth. As the water level in one reservoir dropped, the flow of water from the corresponding lion's mouth would decrease. This gradual decrease in water flow was a key aspect of the fountain's timekeeping mechanism. The precision with which the water levels were managed is a testament to the advanced engineering skills of the Nasrids. Once the reservoir was empty, the flow would stop completely. This cessation of water flow marked the end of an hour, and the process would begin anew with the next reservoir. The cyclical nature of this system ensured a continuous and accurate measurement of time. This ingenious system allowed the Nasrids to keep track of time with remarkable accuracy. The Lion Fountain stands as a testament to their innovative spirit and their ability to blend art with science. It is a symbol of the golden age of Islamic civilization, where knowledge and creativity flourished, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire and awe visitors from around the world.